This video shows you how to install your LifePulse 1.0. Here is the hardware you will need for a successful installation. You will need the LifePulse unit, a 4-inch by 4-inch gang box, a faceplate that has a GFI and light switch knockout, possibly 2 or 3 wire nuts, and 2 self-tapping screws. You will need a circuit tester, wire strippers, an insulated screwdriver, and possibly channel locks, a cordless drill, and a nut driver bit for the mounting of a new gang box that the LifePulse will be hardwired into. The wiring directions are located inside the LifePulse box. I will take you through each step of the instructions in this video. Step number 1 is to turn off the power to the furnace at the main circuit breaker or fuse panel. Step number 2 is to unscrew and remove the switch plate cover to the furnace main switch. Step number 3 is to unscrew the switch from the electrical box and pull out the wire still attached. Use a voltage tester to ensure the circuit is dead. You will need to pull the existing wires from the existing kill switch box and remove the old box. You can mount the new 4-inch by 4-inch gang box in the same area using your cordless drill and the self-tapping screws. Once you have the previous wires in place in the new gang box, you can continue the wiring as shown in the instructions. Please note, for the LifePulse unit to fit into the new faceplate, you will need to carefully break off the scored tabs on each end of the unit with your channel locks or a pair of pliers. If the green ground strap is not already attached to the LifePulse unit that comes in the box, just attach it to the end and continue. Please note that backing out the screws on the LifePulse unit will make the installation easier. Step number 4, rewire the hot load wire from the switch to the hot out port on the LifePulse. Step number 5, rewire the neutral load wire to the neutral out port on the LifePulse. Step number 6, rewire the neutral line wire to the neutral in port on the LifePulse. Step number 7, add a new wire from the light switch hot load to the hot in port on the LifePulse. The remaining hot line wire is wired to the bottom of the kill switch. Step number 8 is attach the ground wires to the ground screw in the junction box or to a strap going to the screw in the junction box using a wire nut. Tuck the wires into the gang box, then align the new LifePulse unit into the faceplate and screw the faceplate onto the LifePulse unit. Do the same for the kill switch, then attach the faceplate to the gang box. Turn the power to the furnace back on at the breaker box and turn the kill switch to the on position. If you receive a green light on your LifePulse unit, you should be ready for pairing with the mobile application on your phone. We will show you the pairing process in another video. Congratulations, you are now ready to pair your device with the mobile application and connect it to the Wi-Fi connection within your customer's home. Please refer to the next video, downloading the LifeWare application and installing the LifePulse 1.0 onto the Wi-Fi network.